everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create viral counts on camera animal videos using free AI tools. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your ChatGPT, and this is where you will generate prompts or video descriptions. For example, you can type something with keywords like like fixed security camera animals videos like this, and then black and white night vision CCTV footage like this. And then you can ask ChatGPT to create multiple variations like give me 10 unique and highly imaginative ideas for fake security camera animals videos like this, or just write your own idea. And then ChatGPT will generate several creative concepts, and then just check them and then pick your favorite one and then just copy it. And in this tutorial I will choose this one, just copy, and then next head over to Google Flow, and then just paste your prompt in here like this, and then don't forget to choose text to video, and then choose your model. In this tutorial I will choose VO3 fast, and then just choose your output and then just generate. And okay, let's play the video. And okay, I think the video is a little bit weird. So if you unsatisfied with the video or the results, you can try another prompt, another ideas. Like for example, I will choose this one and then just copy it again, add the flow, and then just generate like this. And then let's play the video. I think this one is pretty realistic, just like something you catch on an actual security camera. And okay, maybe that's it. With ChatGPT and Flow, you can easily create endless count on camera animal clips. It's fun, realistic, and completely free. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.